Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by using an account with admin rights. This ensures changes persist. Once you're signed in, press Windows +I to open settings immediately, which is faster than hunting through menus. Make sure to click System, then Display so you see scale, resolution, and multiple display options. This first screen shows what affects visuals directly. Act here to reset values. Once done, you'll move to specific reset actions, like restoring recommended resolution and scale to default. Now you actively reset individual settings. First, set scale to the recommended %. This fixes blurry text and UI sizing. Next, change resolution back to the recommended native value. That restores sharpness and correct aspect ratio. Then click Advanced Display to verify the refresh rate matches your monitor's spec, adjusting if it's too low or too high. Make sure to keep an eye on the preview and apply changes, so Windows commits them before you proceed to final cleanup steps. Finish by checking app-specific display behavior in graphics settings and restore defaults where custom profiles cause issues. Then open Color Management to set the system profile back to default if colors remain off. If problems persist, open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and roll back or update the driver. This often resolves stubborn issues. If a change breaks your display, use Safe Mode to revert settings. Keep one key tip in mind. Rolling back the GPU driver is your go-to when resets don't help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.